My name is Martin Welch. I was diagnosed 2 years ago when I was 51 years old with prostate cancer, and I was in shock at that age being diagnosed, and I didn't know where to turn. And after a lot of searching and praying, I ended up here at CHRISTUS St. Patrick's Hospital, and I'm glad I did. Well, after finding out that I needed surgery for prostate cancer, I looked into every bit of information I could find over a long course of time, 5 or 6 months. And finally I found Dr. Siddiq here at St. Patrick's and learned about the robotic system. And my results speak for themselves. I was able to go back to work in 3 weeks. I chose St. Patrick Hospital because after exploring all my options, I discovered that my insurance would pay locally here in the state of Louisiana, whereas if I had gone out of state, my insurance would not have paid as much as they did. St. Patrick's was unknown to me as far as the quality of care, but after meeting Dr. Siddiq with the urology center, my confidence was high, and I felt that this was the place for me to be. My surgery was scheduled for a Tuesday morning, and due to some complications because of my health condition, I ended up having to stay until Friday. But thankfully the robotic surgery team, along with Dr. Siddiq, handled my complications with the most expertise I could have expected anywhere. When I first learned about having prostate cancer and the older methods of treatment options available to me, the recovery time was totally unacceptable. That's why I spent many months trying to find a robotic surgery team close to home. And I found Dr. Siddiq's team here. I think they saved my life, but not only saved my life, but they helped me maintain my quality of life. The fact that I was able to go back to work within 3 weeks after the surgery, on light duty of course, and above all have full bladder control after 6 weeks with no complications since then, just blows my mind compared to some of the other stories I heard from other doctors. When my doctor told me about his success rate with the prostatectomy here at St. Patrick's, I almost couldn't believe it. His success rate is in the 90 percentiles for maintaining bladder control, being cancer-free after prostatectomy, and being able to have an erection, which is very important for a man. And every promise they made to me before the surgery came true. I had no letdowns or disappointments from my surgery, and if I had it to do all over again, I'd do it in a minute.